Africa Content TV.
Ètò gbogbo yóò bẹ̀rẹ̀. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Excellency, I'd like to announce the arrival of the former governor who is currently in Olubadan, Ibadan. His Imperial Majesty, Oba'S, Senator Rashidi, and the greatest Nigerian students. Ibolewa, articulate Nigerian students. Greatest Gogo. Greatest recognize you. Thank you for joining us. Gentlemen of the Fourth Estate of Rem, we appreciate you. And of course, as we proceed in the recognition. Wọ́n wọlé nígbà tí òun sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n láàrin wá ń bí yóò búkọ ní onítọ̀ọ́dí méjì lọ́dọ̀ ìyá o.
Round of applause. Make welcome His Excellency Governor Seyi Makinde, FNSC, DST, GSSRS, the wonderful governor of Oyo State. Wherever you are, Seyi Ẹ̀dá. Mi ò gbọ́ yín dáadáa, Seyi Ẹ̀dá. Seyi Ẹ̀dá. Can we keep clapping till he gets to his podium, please?
Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa pa àtẹ́wọ́ yẹn fún wa bí wọ́n ṣe ń lọ.
Your Excellency and the Olubadan of Ibadan land, His Imperial Majesty, Oba, Senator, Governor Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja, Arusa the First. Kábíyèsí o. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Barrister Abdurrahim Adebayo Lawa. Your Excellency, the former First Lady of Oyo State, Alhaja Mutiat Ladoja. Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Hamid Badamosi. The Federal House of Representatives members that are here, let me use the member representing Ibarakwa Central, Ibarakwa North Federal Constituency, Honorable Anthony Adebayo Adepoju, as the point of contact for all the federal honorables here. The Honorable Speaker, Oyo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Adebo Ogundoyin, ably represented by the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Mohammed Fadeyi. Let me also recognize other honorable members of the State House of Assembly that are here. The Chief Judge of Oyo State, Honorable Justice Iyabo Yerima, and other honorable judges of Oyo State Judiciary here present. Let me especially recognize the President of the Customary Court of Appeal, Honorable Justice Abdul Ghani. You're welcome. And then former CJ as well, Mama Deniji. You're welcome. And the former President, also Customary Court of Appeal, Justice Aderemi. You're also welcome. Former Speaker, Oyo State House of Assembly, distinguished Senator Mansurat Sumonu. Mokinyo. The Secretary to the State Government, designate. But I'll swear him in immediately after this event. Professor Musiba Babatunde, the Chief of Staff, Honorable Segun Ogunwuyi, the Head of Service, Mrs. Olubumi Oni, MNI, the Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Adeyinka Adeniyi, ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn orí adé, His Imperial Majesty, the Alaafin of Oyo, Ọba Abimbola Akeem Owode the First, Kábíyèsí o, His Imperial Majesty, the Ṣọ̀ún of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land, Ọba Gandhi Afolabi Olaoye Orumagege the Third, Kábíyèsí o. Adé Ọ̀rúnlẹ̀kẹ̀ mo kí yín o. Civil and public servants in the service of Oyo State, I celebrate you. Our religious leaders, Camp Chairman Oyo State, Reverend Dr. Elisha Ogundiya, Chief Imam of Ibadan land, Sheikh Agbotomo Kekere, ably represented by Sheikh Ismail Yusuf. Motiniki Hakim Harira, Hakim Arranger. Bishop TV Adelakun, Araba Isheshe, and other prominent traditional religious leaders that are here to grace this all-important occasion. Distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Well, first and foremost, mo kí gbogbo wa pé a kú ọdún ọdún 2026 yìí. Ọdún ayọ̀ la jẹ́ fún gbogbo wa. Ọdún tó jẹ́ pé àfojúsùn wa, àfọkànsùn wa, gbogbo ẹ̀ á tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́. Let me also use this opportunity láti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. The workers, because ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń sọ pé ẹnìkan pé foreman ni, ṣé ẹnìkan lè ṣiṣẹ́ èèyàn mẹ́rin ni? Ṣé bá sọ pé Ṣèyí Mákindé ló ń ṣe lé, Ṣèyí Mákindé ló ń ṣe lé. Ṣé Ṣèyí Mákindé lè wà ní ibi méjì at the same time? Gbogbo wa ni àjọṣe, everything anybody bá rí as improvement ní Ọ̀yọ́ State. I'm just the figurehead. Gbogbo ata wa ń bí is our handwork because oníkálukú ló ń play role tó yẹ kí wọ́n play. And I'm not surprised. And táwọn kan bá wà surprised pé why tí Ọ̀yọ́ State workers tí wọ́n ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ṣèyí Mákindé. Ṣé bá ọmọ yín ni mí? Ọmọ civil servant lèmi náà nínú secretariat yìí ń bí ni. Ọmọ tí gbogbo yín náà wọ́n á ṣe oríire. When we came in in 2019, we met 2016 promotion arrears. Meaning pé for 3 years. Of the backlogs. I'd ensure pé I meet up every year moving forward. Head of service ti sọ pé for 2025 promotion, wọ́n ti send file sọ́dọ̀ mi. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti deal fún promotion, my signature will get on the file today. Ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tí Sheikh Ismail Yusuf tí wọ́n gbàdúrà ń bẹ̀ yẹn láìpẹ́, wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ̀ nàka sí mi, wọ́n ní ẹ̀wẹ̀ tó wà ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ yìí tí ò bá nàka yẹn. Bọ́n mo ti sọ kí ni ká ṣe fáwọn tí ò nàka náà. Torí pé 2026 yìí. It's a year before election. As a matter of fact, in another maybe 24, 25, là ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. So lágbàá àjọ ṣe tọdún tó bọ̀ ni. So oríṣiríṣi irọ́ la bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jáde láti bíi July, August. Wọ́n láwọn lè sòkè dílẹ̀. Ntí wọn ò ní lè ṣe lọ́dún mẹ́jọ, wọ́n láwọn á ṣe ní ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ. What I would say ni pé ẹ ti wo fíìmù Omi Tuntun apá kìíní, ṣé ẹ wò àbẹ́ ẹ wò? Ṣé ẹ gbádùn ẹ̀? Apá kejì ńkọ́? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ wo apá kẹta? Ẹ wò ó. Ọ̀dà Omi Tuntun apá kẹta ni a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní May 29, 2027. And to mean ni pé this is not about Seyi Makinde anymore. It's about a team. It's about our institutions. Sergeant, sọ̀rọ̀ best speaker. Ọ̀dà ẹ ṣeun, àwọn olófòófó wọn pọ̀ bí ẹ má wọrí. Màá find ọ̀nà tó fi jẹ́ pé àwọn olófòófó á ti yẹra ká tó sọ̀rọ̀ àwo. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni ara bá wó. As we go through the year, mo fẹ́ ká wá vigilant, especially lórí ọ̀rọ̀ security. This is 12th of January. Ìjọ méjìlá láti lò nínú ọdún tuntun yìí. Nínú agbègbè wa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, say it to the authorities. We're still investigating. I thought I'll be able to go to the to Orire. But with the program Tani, I'll probably delay it until Friday before I'll go there. But please, please, gbogbo wa, even though we work for the government, gbogbo wa ní àwọn èèyàn káàkiri. Encourage them. They should play their part. And I can give you the assurance that this administration will play its own part to keep us safe and secure. Now, our HLA, they brought your file to me. From January last year, the improved salary structure. Yes, I asked them because the State House of Assembly, Niwamuwa, and we analyzed it. And we found out that MRT Brickle Abankole, only king got one pay ni plum. About 5 plums like plum. Very. So, money can lot to and I'm hoping since that the Bereshensi, they will bring it back before the end of this month. I will sign it, but you will get the arrears from Ijoteti Diufun. So your state ń tẹ̀síwájú lágbára Ọlọ́run and pẹ̀lú àtìlẹ́yìn yín. Biden Fuyini Wanikam, this is the most dangerous period. Why is the most dangerous period? Easily. Emma Kemi, Emma Gemi, Emma for Amile, you should strong. Because ever she got see was okay, I just 2027. Okay, so let's agree with Emma Kemi. Well, like I can see, it's been an honor to be of service to your state. Head of service. sọ fún mi ní ẹ̀kan pé, well, this will probably be the last interfaith service that she will organize, that by May she will retire and all of that. And I said to her, we will all be grateful for opportunity to contribute our own quota. Only from May, after her retirement, you've been a great asset to your state. After your tour of duty as head of service here, I'm sure you still have energy and you will still serve your state, and maybe so mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pé a kú ọdún, a kú ìyèdún. Bí mo ṣe máa hand this ahead of us, we need to reflect and say, okay, kí làwọn nǹkan tá a lè ṣe differently that will make 2026 different and better than 2025. Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú wa. Ọlọ́run á tọ́ wa sọ́nà. This year, 2026, will be better than 2025. God's blessing and a productive, also rewarding. If we are productive, it must also be rewarding. And láti máa fi ọwọ́ ara wa ká máa fi gba oore wa. That's the reward. Yeah, 2026. Thank you.